Hey guys, welcome to our channel Tripfantasies.
Today is 15th of November and the time is around 4 am.
We are going on an adventurous ride as we hit the road from Hyderabad to the beautiful beaches of Goa.
We're gonna witness some breathtaking views and have fun pit stops.
Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of Goa. Let's go. Our bags are packed and we are all ready to start off.
Today we are going to take Hyderabad, Humnabad, Amarga, Solapur, Sangli, Nippani, Amboli and Baga Beach.
We are taking the ORR and exit at Patancheru. The Hyderabad ORR is 158 kilometers long. It is constructed to ease traffic congestion and enhance connectivity. Guys, this is the old Mumbai highway which connects Hyderabad to Mumbai. It passes through major cities like Humnabad and Solapur.
We dozed off immediately after the journey started and woke up at dawn.
Friends, the time is 7 am. We have reached Humnabad and we have stopped here to enjoy the beautiful sunrise. We were passing through Humnabad and saw this temple which was on the way. It looks so divine. Now we are going to visit it.
This is Shri Siddheshwar Temple, which is right beside the highway in Humnabad.
After seeking divine blessings, we are back on the road going to Solapur. We have stopped here to take a Xerox of our car insurance as we did not have it. If you're traveling to Maharashtra, maintain all your car documents handy as there will be a lot of checking. The roads are also not that great after Umarga. There are a lot of potholes and improper road work. We are enjoying this drive as the weather is cloudy with no sun. We have been stopped for document verification. This is the first checking of our day. Make sure to carry all your documents. This is the famous Naldurg fort. It was built in the 12th century by the Yadava dynasty. This fort runs across 2.5 kilometers. As it is a very long fort, we are not able to explore it. We have stopped for breakfast. We brought some home-cooked tamarind rice for us.
We are here at Solapur city. We are now heading to Amboli waterfalls. Guys, the Google map is taking us through Sangola, Sangli, Nippani to Amboli waterfalls. It will take us 5 hours 41 minutes to reach. It took us 6 hours to reach to Solapur from Hyderabad, including the long break at the temple. After entering the highway, we missed turning right. You have to enter to NH 166. There are a few restaurants on this stretch where you can take a break to have some refreshments. After entering the NH 166 highway, you have to drive for 177 kilometers. What is a road trip without junk food? I am eating rose cakes. Do you agree? I'm loving this route. This route is very scenic with these yellow flowers. We don't know where we are, but we just randomly stopped here to soak into this incredible beauty. There is tabletop hills, the highway and windmills everywhere. highway was a bliss to drive. It was bumpy and the roads were not evenly laid. We are now on the State Highway 153. The route is single lane and is picturesque and is passing through a bunch of beautiful villages. We are now passing through Nippani, a city which is known for agriculture and sugarcane fields. There are a lot of sugarcane fields and we can see a bunch of bullock carts transferring sugarcane from fields to the factories. So we've travelled all the way to Amboli, a charming hill station nestled in the southern part of the Western Ghats, known for its cool climate, stunning viewpoints and dense forests.
This is one of the beautiful viewpoint on the Amboli Ghat section. Please see the view. There is mist in between the mountains, which is so beautiful.
One of the best things about Amboli viewpoint is that it offers a stunning panoramic view of the Sahyadri mountain range. From here you can see the vast stretches of green forests and deep valleys. As you can see, this place is absolutely magical, and if you're into photography or just love being in nature, this spot is perfect. Guys, this is a famous Amboli waterfall. Most of the tourists take the Amboli Ghat to experience and dip in the waterfall. As you can see, the waterfall is formed by the stream of water that descends from the Western Ghats, creating a breathtaking cascade as it plunges into a natural pool below. There are some stalls near the waterfall which are selling corn, Maggi, vada pav, etc. We ordered vada pav, lemon tea and Maggi. We reached Baga, which is around 90 kilometers from Amboli. Since it was very dark, foggy, we could not record. We did not have any reservation for our stay, hence we parked our car in the government parking area when searching for a stay and booked for a night. And now we are exploring these beautiful beach shores of Baga. There are lot of tourists and the shacks are lively with great ambience and music. First, we settled in one of the beach shack, but the prices were hefty. Hence, we decided to visit Brito's, a famous beach shack in Baga. Guys, we are at my favorite restaurant in Baga, Brito's. We have ordered our dinner and are waiting for it. Just look at the ambience here, guys. It's so beautiful. We ordered some bites of pasta, crab samosa, and butter garlic prawns. They even gave us some French fries, rice, and some kimchi. Friends, hope you liked this video, and if you did, please consider to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in our next vlog.